Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 6 from the chapter fractions. In this exercise we are going to learn to subtract the fractions. Okay, let us see the first question. Subtract 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. See these two fractions. These two fractions are unlike fractions. First we have to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers. So, LCM of 4 and 3. Here 4 and 3 are co-prime numbers. So, product of the co-prime numbers is the LCM. So, 4 3s are 12. 12 is the LCM. Now, we have to convert the given fractions with the denominator 12. So, the first fraction is 3 by 4. When you will get 12 in 4 table, 4 3s are. So, by the same number, we have to multiply the numerator. So, 3 3s are 9. So, we will get 9 by 12. The second fraction is 2 by 3. In 3 table, when you will get 12, 3 4s are. So, we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 4. 2 4s are 8. Now we got 9 by 12 and 8 by 12. These two fractions are like fractions. So we are going to subtract the numerators. 9 minus 8. Then the same denominator number 12. Here 9 minus 8, that is 1 by 12. The same denominator. So 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 12. While subtracting the unlike fractions, first by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers, we have to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions. After that, we have to subtract the numerator. Is it clear, children? The next question, 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10. Here also, these two fractions are unlike fractions. By finding the LCM, we are going to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions. So, LCM of 5 and 10. See the number 10. 10 is the multiple of 5. If the greater number is the multiple of the smaller number, we can take the greater number as LCM. So, LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So, already in the second fraction, the denominator is 10. So, we have to convert the first fraction alone. Okay. In 5 table, when you will get 10, 5 2s are. So, we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. 2 into 2, 4. We will get 4 by 10 minus the second fraction 3 by 10. Okay. Now, these two fractions are like fractions. So, we are going to subtract the numerator. 4 minus 3 divided by the same denominator 10. 4 minus 3, that is 1. 1 by 10 is the answer. So, 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10 is equal to 1 by 10. Is it clear, children? The next question, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Here also, first we have to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions. For that, we are going to find the LCM of the denominator numbers 3 and 5. See the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So, the product of these two numbers is the LCM. 3 5s are 15. 15 is the LCM. So, we have to convert the given fractions with the denominator 15. Okay, the first denominator is 3. In 3 table, when you will get 15, 5 times. By the same number 5, we are multiplying the numerator. Then we will get 2 5s are 10. 10 by 15 minus 1 by 5. Here in 5 table, 3 times 15. So, we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. 1 into 3, 3. Now, these two fractions are like fractions. We are going to subtract the numerator. 10 minus 3 divided by 15. Here, 10 minus 3, that is 7. 7 by 15 is the answer. So, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 7 by 15. Is it clear, children? The next question, now we are going to subtract the mixed numbers. See the question, 4 minus 3 1 by 2. 4 is the whole number. How will you write a whole number in fraction? 4 by 1, isn't it? For the whole numbers, the denominator is 1. See the second fraction is a mixed number. We have to convert it into improper fraction. For that, we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. Then we have to add the numerator. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. That is 7 by 2. Now, we have to convert these two unlike fractions to like fractions. So, the LCM of the denominator numbers 1 and 2 is 2. 2 is the multiple of 1. So, 2 is the LCM. So, first we have to convert the first fraction alone. In the second fraction, already the denominator is 2. Here 1 into 2, 2. So, we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. Then 4 2s are 8 minus the second fraction 7 by 2. Now, these two fractions are like fractions. We have to subtract the numerator. 8 minus 7 by 2. Here 8 minus 7 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2 is the answer. So, what is the answer? 4 minus 3 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Was it clear, children? The next question, 2 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2. The first step, we have to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So, we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. Then we have to add the numerator. Here 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 by 8 minus the second fraction is 1 by 2. Now, these two fractions are unlike fractions. We are going to convert it into like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers 8 and 2. Here 8 is the multiple of 2. If the greater number is the multiple of the smaller number, we can take this greater number as LCM. So, LCM of 8 and 2 is 8. So, already in the first fraction, the denominator is 8. So, no need to change the first fraction. We are going to change the second fraction alone. So, 19 by 8 minus 1 by 2. In 2 table, when you will get 8, 2 4s are. So, we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 4. Then 1 into 4, 4. We will get 4 by 8. Now, these two fractions are like fractions. So, we have to subtract the numerator numbers 19 and 4. Then the same number in the denominator. Here 19 minus 4, that is 15 by 8. Okay, see the fraction. Here the numerator is greater than the denominator. This is an improper fraction. We have to convert the improper fraction to mixed number. For that, we have to divide the numerator number by the denominator number. In 15, how many times 8 is there? Only one time. So, 1 time 8, we have to subtract. 15 minus 8, that is 7. So, we have to write in the form of quotient as a whole number part and remainder by divisor is a fraction part. Okay, so quotient is 1, remainder is 7 by divisor is 8. So, 1 7 by 8 is the answer. So, 2 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 7 by 8. Is it clear, children? The next question, 6 2 by 3 minus 3 3 by 4. Here also these two fractions are mixed fraction. First we have to convert it into improper fractions. Okay, here 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 20 by the same denominator 3 minus here 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 by 4. Okay, these two fractions are unlike fractions, first we have to convert it into like fractions by finding the LCM of the denominator numbers 3 and 4. Here 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers. So the product of these two numbers is the LCM. 3 fours are 12. 12 is the LCM. Now we have to convert the fractions with the denominator 12. See, in 3 table when you will get 12, 3 fours are 12. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 4. So 20 into 4 we will get 80 minus, in 4 table when you will get 12, 4 threes are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. So 15 into 3, 45. Here these two fractions are like fractions. So we can subtract the numerator numbers 80 and 45 in the same denominator 12. 80 minus 45, here 0 minus 5, we can't subtract, so we have to borrow from 8. 8 will become 7, 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 4, that is 3. 35 by 12. Now we got an improper fraction. We are going to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator by the denominator number 12. Here in 35, how many times 12 is there? Here 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. 36 is greater than 35. So we are going to take 2 times 24. While subtracting 5 minus 4, that is 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So the quotient is 2, remainder is 11 and divisor is 12. So we are going to write in the form of quotient, remainder by divisor. Okay, the quotient is 2, remainder 11 by 12. So 2, 11 by 12 is the answer. So 6, 2 by 3 minus 3, 3 by 4 is equal to 2, 11 by 12. Is it clear, children? Hope you all understand. We will see the remaining problems in the next video. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button. You will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.